Good morning, student. I am your Stephen sir from ICRA English Medium. Today, I am going to teach you subject English, grammar part, and today's our topic will be report writing. So, my dear student, what is report? A report is a written presentation of factual information based on an investigation or research. In the first line, as you can see here, so what is report? रिपोर्ट क्या होता है? एक टाइप का इंफॉर्मेशन बेस्ड होता है. इंफॉर्मेशन मीन्स जानकारी. इन्वेस्टिगेशन एंड रिसर्च. इन्वेस्टिगेशन यानी कि तहकीकात करना और एक टाइप की खोज, रिसर्च. Reports forms the basis for solving problems or making decision. तो रिपोर्ट ज़्यादातर क्या होता है? एक टाइप का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग करने वाली चीज़ होती है और एक डिसीजन लेने वाली चीज़ होती है. ऑफ्टन इन द सब्जेक्ट्स ऑफ बिजनेस एंड द साइंस. द लेंथ ऑफ रिपोर्ट्स वेरियस. देयर आर शॉर्ट्स, memo reports and long reports. So while you will get such kind of question in your exam, you have to keep one thing in mind: whether your report can be a small report or it can be a long report. It depends upon the topic which is given towards you. Most often, you will be asked to write a long report. Now, let us see what is further. What makes an effective report? So, while you will write a report, what all the things they looked at and they give you marks in your board exam. So, you have to keep such thing in mind. While writing a report, it is very easy and it depends upon you, my dear student, how to score the marks. But you have to think about it, what all the things which is required to score marks. You cannot score a full marks. Yes, you can, but first you have to take few points. First of all, first point, it is shown clear, conscious and accurate. It shows that whatever you are writing, the report or information, it should be clear, conscious and accurate. The second thing, the second line says easy for the audience to understand. So while you are writing, you have to keep thing in mind. You have to not use a big words which are very confusing. You have to use simple words which you can convey your message to what a person is going to check your paper. So use a simple sentence or simple words. Third point, appropriate for the audience. What is appropriate? Means what the topic is given, you have to write according to the topic. You have to not mismatch the topic. Next, well organized with clear section heading. So how we write the heading? Like heading means, suppose if you will write without heading, you will not get marks, because if you will write the heading might be anything. They won't give you the title, like how we have the title in our lesson. They will give you only the information, and according to that information you have to think and you have to write the heading, the title name. How can you write the title name? By understanding the question. Got it? Like as you can see in the newspaper, how they write a title. Does anyone says them to write the title? No. They write the title according to the situation. So you have to keep in mind to get the marks. So now here it is shown that report structure. Reports follows a standardized format. This allows the reader to find the information easily and focus on specific area. Most reports follow the following structure, but please look at your assignment question and marking guide carefully, as the format of terminology required in your report may vary from this guide. If so, check with your tutor. Please check your marking guide to determine the words limit and how marks are allocated to each section. So here what they are trying to say that in the report writing, sometimes they give question for 6 marks, sometime they give for 4 marks. So according to that, here they are telling that you have to write according to that, how big it should be, how small, how medium it should be, and how many paragraph you should write. At least 2 to 3 paragraph you must write to make it clear. So here few points are there which is very important for you, report must have. So what all the things you must have in the report writing, here it is shown. First it is shown that you must have title page, means title should be there, table of content should be there, abstract or executive summary should be there, introduction should be there, finding or decision should be there, conclusion should be there, recommendation should be there, and reference should be there. Little bit difficult. Let us go in details. So these are the advanced things, so I won't tell you, but still if you want to see it, you can see cover letter, bibliography, glossary, appendix. But first, what we have seen here, this 8 point is more important. So let us see that thing first. So here, first it is shown title page. So what is title page? Not part of the word count. So here title page means heading. Give the title of the report, the student name, number, the name of the person the report is being submitted to, and the completion date. So the title has to be what all the things which is required. First the title of the report, then what here they have seen, the student name should be there, and date should be there. Second thing, table of content shows the section of the report, gives the heading, subheading, and page number. And the third part, abstract or executive summary, gives a summary of the whole report, outline of the report purpose, methodology, finding, main conclusion, and recommendation. Mainly written in the past tense and prepared last. So while you start the main part of this topic, it has to be in the past tense. Terms of reference. What does it mean, terms of reference? Reference meaning is that कि कहाँ से किससे पता चला. Briefly states the purpose of scope of the report. This includes who requested the report, the main issue or problem to be identified, the reason for undertaking the report, and the due date of the report. And last one is procedure. Procedure means कि कैसे करना है या कैसे हुआ, आगे क्या करना है. Outline the method used to collect information, interview, questionnaire, observation, and or. Then next is introduction. So here all the points are written. Outline the context, background, and the purpose of report. Define terms and set limits of the investigation. All this thing is given. Finding and decision. Finding what we found during the research of investigation given the fact only. Conclusion means नतीजे पे आ जाना. Brief statement of the key finding the report. Full explanation is given in the finding and decision. Arrange so the major conclusion comes first. Should relate directly to the objective set out in the term reference or the introduction. Only in Hindi I would suggest you that जब कोई रिपोर्टर कोई भी चीज़ का रिपोर्टिंग करता है तो वो एक इन्वेस्टिगेशन करता है कि कब क्यों कहाँ कैसे हुआ, मतलब ये एक्सीडेंट जो है कहाँ हुआ, कौन से लोकेशन पे हुआ, किस वक्त हुआ और उस वक्त कौन वहाँ मौजूद था. उसके बाद में पुलिस आती है, पुलिस इन्वेस्टिगेशन करती है, फिर बाद में रिपोर्टर पुलिस वाले को पूछता है कि आप इस जो एक्सीडेंट हुआ है इसमें आप कहाँ तक पहुँचे, इसका नतीजा क्या हुआ, किसने किया था, क्या हुआ. सो ये सारी चीज़ें जो है ये इस हिसाब से आती है. सो इट इज़ मतलब बहुत इजी है, आपको एक सिंक में जाना है, पॉइंट्स को फॉलो करना है, पॉइंट्स के हिसाब से लिखना है, सो आपको फुल मार्क्स मिल जाएगा. थैंक यू सो मच.